All right, Lowheat fans, back with another video. Appreciate you clicking and watching, and I would appreciate you even more if you subscribed. Just involves moving your thumb, move it up there, hit subscribe. Doesn't take but a second. Or move that mouse trackpad. That would be dope. Anyways, on to the video. Before we get to these, that's probably why you clicked on this. A little bonus unboxing here. If you haven't seen, I did a video where I bought some Topps Project70. It's a new thing Topps, the baseball card, sports card, collectible card company's doing, featuring 70 different artists, and as a commemoration of their 70th year of making cards. And so I've gotten a few of these. I've gotten 6 so far. This is my 7th. And so check out that video if you're interested at all. We'll get to the shoes in a second. Oh, this is not the one I thought I'd be opening. This is a present. We'll see if she watches this video. A present for the girl. So this surprised me. This is an unboxing that surprised me. I thought I was opening the Alex Pardee Mike Trout one. I'll do that in another video coming up. All right. Well, this is the Walker Buehler card designed by the shoe surgeon. This is pretty dope. My girlfriend actually knew Walker Buehler growing up. They used to play ball together at in front of her grandfather's, his grandfather's yard. So anyways, this is pretty dope. So this is the shoe surgeon's second card he did. Anyways, I like it. The heat meter, I love it. Anyways, check out my other videos where I unbox or open up some of these. So this is based off the 2020 Topps baseball card design. It's been such a long time since I've collected sports cards that I don't know what the recent designs are, but that's pretty dope. Watch my next video. I'll open up the Alex Pardee Mike Trout one. We'll see if we hit on a rainbow foil maybe. All right, onto the shoes. I know that's what most of you are here for. So today, a pair of Lowheat I got off of Confirmed. I've had some decent success with Confirmed. Now, granted, Yeezys nowadays aren't quite as popular as they used to be, and some of the really sought-after Yeezys I haven't hit on. The black-red Yeezys I got probably were some of the more hyped ones that I was able to hit on. But I've had decent luck with Confirmed. So let's see what we got here. They have this new packaging. They don't do the security tape anymore. I'm guessing everything's all about cost, generally speaking. I'm guessing this is cheaper. The cardboard packaging seems thinner, so maybe it's a little bit more environmentally friendly. Okay. Also, it does make sense. Tamper-proof tape. You know what's even more tamper-proof? Like serrated box, because then you definitely know if it's been tampered with. So maybe that's it. So they're like, this doesn't make any sense getting tamper-proof tape. Someone could retape it maybe with tamper-proof tape. So this is my first pair of these. You already know from the title what these are, but the HU gives it away. The HU NMDs. These are the Pharrell Williams NMDs that recently dropped. My first pair. I've never owned a pair. And if you've seen any of my Yeezy unboxing videos, you know I kind of just can't really mess with Kanye these days. It's a little too crazy for me. So I've sold all my Yeezys that I've got. Some I've regretted kind of just because they've gone up in price. And some I've liked. It's just I can't really rock with Kanye. I'm sorry. I can't separate the art from the artist in that case. But someone who I don't mind is Pharrell. And I just had to put in for these. So these are so wild. So these are a pair that I didn't have to have. There was raffles. I entered maybe one or two, a couple, and then I applied on Confirmed, and I hit on Confirmed. But I'd never owned a pair of Pharrell NMDs, and again, I can't really rock with Kanye, so I kind of wanted to own a pair of these sock shoes And if I'm not going 350 V2s, then might as well go with a pair of Pharrells. And just all of them that have come out so far have been like, eh, not bad. And these were just too wild. I couldn't. This is what this colorway got me to pull the trigger and be like, you know what, it's time. Let's see if we can get these. And I was lucky enough to get them, and they're dope. So let's take a closer look. So there's the insole. Some of you, I'm sure own pairs, but that's interesting. They have cutouts in the insole down to the Ultra Boost. I don't know if you can see that. See that white area? That white area? That's the actual Ultra Boost. So I assume that's for breathability and comfort, is my guess. But they have kidneys, liver. It's like the parts of the body in there. Pelvis. So it's like the insole's like a diagram, a loose diagram of internal organs and body parts. Extra pair of laces there. Now these, I can imagine, are going to get dirty. So I'm probably going to spray these with, some people have Crep Protects. I have some Jason Mark spray, so I'm probably going to spray these just to help them kind of last this color longer. So it's a high heel tab with Pharrell Williams there. I'm always concerned with Ultra Boost, like gravel pebbles, like kind of effing up the Ultra Boost there. But you guys in the chat, you guys are probably more familiar with Ultra Boost than I am. How do they hold up? Here, I'll bring out the other pair. So I think these are dope. Let's see if the other insole has different writing on it. No, the same. All right, so I'm gonna try these on for you guys, see how they fit. I went a half size up. I just did the same thing with Yeezy. They recommend going half size up. So generally speaking, I'm an 11.5, but I got a 12 in these. So let me take off these. I wore these for the video, another Adidas pair. These are like one of my favorite Adidas shoes currently. Check out my unboxing video of these. These are the Joshua Tree ZXs. They're from their A to ZX series. I love these. Very comfortable. Made with Cordura fabric and then ripstop fabric. And then they have this like 3M laces patch on it. Anyways, check out my unboxing video. These are dope. I love these. So I figured with these are already wild enough shoes. I personally would suggest not going wild with socks. I have some wild stance socks, but I think with these are so flashy as it is. You don't need to draw attention to your socks also. So I went with a solid color sock. These Stance Cafe Du Monde socks, the French bakery in New Orleans. So we'll see how these look with it. I've never laced these. These are so funky. So funky. All right, let's see how they're going to probably be a little tight. We're back. We had a little earthquake there trying to get these on. So stance socks aren't super thin, but they're not also thick. They're like medium weight socks, I would say. So there we go. So a little hard to get on in the actual foot hole. That's what I don't know if that's the technical term. Where you insert your foot. All right. So on foot, I have plenty of room in these. So you could kind of go true to size in regards to fit. Like I have space, and these seem super roomy, and they're not too tight on top. They're a little tight, they're a little firm on top. Sometimes that's the problem with shoes. I find they're always like cramping my foot right there at the top. They're too tight. But I'm not standing in these yet. Maybe I'll stand up. All around roominess, fine. It's just, getting it in there was a little tough. Maybe these stretch over time a little bit. So I'd still go half size up, but But if you get true to size, I think you'll be fine. It'll just be a little bit more difficult getting in. But as far as actually comfort goes around the foot, decent. As far as looks, they look kind of funky. Definitely look like I'm wearing a sock. But I think these will look dope to other people from afar. Like, just looking above, as you can see, definitely looks like I'm wearing a sock. So I don't know about that, but like when you look profile, these look kind of dope. They look kind of sick. So I like them. I think I'm going to keep them as my one pair of Adidas Ultra Boost style sock shoes. Again, because I don't have any 350s, nor am I going to keep any. So if that's the case and I want a pair of musician Adidas sneakers, I think these are the ones for me. Pharrell's the GOAT. He's 47 years old. Do you know that? Fun fact. He did a GQ video on his skincare routine. I've listened to him forever since he was with, NERD and stuff. So I'm a fan, and I'm a fan of these shoes. Let me know what you guys think. A, about the silhouette, and then B, the colorway. I know this colorway is not for everyone. That's for sure. I'm also the same guy who bought a pink mini iPod back in college and thought it would be like ironic. And then after the third day of going to the gym with a pink mini iPod, I was like, okay, people don't get this. They're just going to think I really like pink. So let me know what you think about the silhouette. Let me know what you think about the colorway and these specifically. And then, subscribe and check the channel for more Lowheat. Thanks.